Are you holding Bitcoin because you believe in it as money, or because you hope it keeps going up? In this video I'm going to explain why investing in Bitcoin is an absolute nonsense and the strategy for investors if Bitcoin wins. Created by an anonymous person known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was introduced as a purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash without going through a financial institution. Easy, but that sentence changes the destiny of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was designed to be used in a day-to-day life, for buying shoes, books, food, and more. Not an asset you hold waiting for appreciation, but as a monetary system people actually transact with. Therefore, the confusion begins. Most investors don't look at Bitcoin as money. They look at it as an opportunity. There are hundreds of videos investing in Bitcoin. They buy because it's going up and sell because it might go down. But trading Bitcoin this way puts it in direct conflict with its original purpose. According to the International Monetary Fund, money has three essential functions. It must be a medium of exchange, used to buy and sell goods and services. It must be a unit of account, the reference by which prices are measured. And it must be a store of value, able to preserve purchasing power over time. All are important, but the real tension lies in the third. Let me explain you. Imagine you own one Bitcoin. Today, it buys you one apple. If next week the same Bitcoin buys you 100 apples, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? You wouldn't spend it. You would hold it. Maybe for another week you may buy 1,000 apples with the same Bitcoin. That behavior is rational, but it breaks Bitcoin as money, because money that people refuse to spend stops circulating. It stops being used, and it turns into something else entirely, a speculative asset. If everyone treats Bitcoin as an investment vehicle, its price may rise, but its function collapses. And here's the tragedy. If Bitcoin truly succeeded as money, its price will stabilize. It will stop making headlines. It will stop creating massive returns. And most investors would lose interest. You don't invest in dollars hoping they double in value in the next year. You use them because they're stable. Bitcoin cannot be both a reliable currency and a high-growth investment. If it keeps exploding in price, it's failing as money. That's the trade-off most people ignore, which, by definition, makes Bitcoin a nonsense investment because it was supposed to be treated as money, not an asset. This is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. But personally, I will never buy Bitcoin expecting long-term appreciation, because its core purpose is not growth, it is monetary utility. And if Bitcoin ever becomes what it was designed to be, the investment narrative disappears. Remember, it's just an opinion. Share me yours in the comments. Am I wrong? Have a good day, and always keep learning.